What is an HSA and how does it work? I'm Lia Landaverde, the Latina Wealth Activist. I'm an award-winning financial educator, and I'm answering your real money questions in under 2 minutes. Today, we're doing our best to demystify your health insurance. Sometimes when folks talk about health insurance, it sounds like they're speaking another language. HMO, PPO, it's TMI. HSA stands for Health Savings Account. It's a savings account with tax advantages designed to help you save for medical expenses. What do I mean by tax advantages? Well, contributions to an HSA are typically made pre-tax, which is helpful for many reasons. First, it means you have more money at your disposal. But another benefit is it also lowers your taxable income. The less money you take home that's taxable, the lower tax bracket you'll be in. And if you're in a lower bracket, that means you're paying taxes at a lower rate. With an HSA, you can pay for medical-related expenses, like treatments and prescription medications. There are limits to how much you can contribute annually to an HSA. In 2025, individuals can add up to $4,300, while families can contribute up to $8,550. But don't worry, HSAs do roll over. They're not use it or lose it. So if you have money left over in your HSA, those funds will stay in your account indefinitely, which can accumulate and grow like any other investment. Plus, many employers offer matching contributions, which is essentially free money to boost your savings. Health insurance is extremely personal, so make sure you understand your needs, research your options, and pick the plan that's best for you. Do you have other burning money questions? Ask MoneyLion AI and find the answer you're looking for. It's quick, easy, and best part, judgment-free. And remember, when it comes to dinero, there are no stupid questions.